Good mornings. We are going to evaluate this integral where C is a circle mod z equal to 2 having the radius 2. When putting this denominator equal to 0, what points we are getting? We are getting z equal to plus minus 4 and z equal to minus iota. Which of these points lies inside the circle? Only minus iota, right? So we only need to apply the Cauchy's integral formula for this point. Now here, what is f of z? It is because when taking this bracket equal to 0, we are getting the points z equal to plus minus 4 that are lying outside the circle. So for fz, we must include this bracket also along with the numerator. जिस भी फैक्टर्स को ज़ीरो पुट करने पर जो भी पॉइंट्स हमें मिलेंगे अगर वो सर्कल के अंदर नहीं होंगे उस फैक्टर को आपको न्यूमरेटर के अलोंग लेना है fz के लिए, राइट? सो fz becomes z upon 16 minus z square. For this factor we are getting the point z equal to negative iota which is lying inside the circle, right? So excluding this factor, whatever you are having in the denominator, take that with the numerator for fz. And because we need to apply the Cauchy's integral formula for this point, for that we also need the value of f of minus iota, right? The value of fz at the point z equal to minus iota. And this fz is analytic inside and on this circle mod z equal to 2. Analytic means it is differentiable everywhere except at the point z equal to negative iota, because at this point we get this factor to be equal to 0. Then this complete integrand is not defined, right? When denominator equal to 0, the complete integrand will not be defined. So fz is analytic everywhere inside the circle except this point, right? Okay, let's start with the solution. And what is the value for f at z equal to negative iota? Just put here z equal to negative iota. What do you get? Minus iota divided by 16 minus iota square. So minus iota square, that is iota square. And iota square is negative 1. So this becomes 16 plus 1, that is 17. So we have got this value to be minus iota divided by 17. Now since fz is analytic inside and on the circle mod z equal to 2 and the point z equal to negative iota lies inside the circle, the given circle, so we apply the Cauchy's integral formula for z equal to negative iota, right? Okay, what is that? Here it is the formula. It is the integral of fz divided by z minus z naught. Please remember this format. This value is equal to 2 pi iota f at this point z naught. Now here what is fz? This complete is our fz. So I can write this as integration of fz divided by z plus iota dz. According to this format, what is z naught? Z naught is negative iota. So this is equal to, along the circle, mod z equal to 2. So this value is equal to 2 pi iota f of, what is z naught? Minus iota. And we have found this value to be equal to minus iota divided by 17. Iota square becomes negative 1 and with this negative sign that will be positive. So this is equal to plus 2 pi divided by 17 is the required answer for this integral.